Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend so far. And welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. We'll do a brief update on what to expect from Bitcoin today and next week as well, already a little bit. That's usually what I do on a Sunday. So far this weekend, volume has actually dropped down significantly, as expected. It's down another 30-40% since yesterday. But Bitcoin is rising. Well, how is that possible is then obviously the question. And I'm not too sure about that. I mean, I have seen this before. That Saturday/Sunday is a little bit bullish. And I gotta be honest, usually it doesn't end that well. I mean, I'm not sure if I can find the last time this happened. Usually the Saturday/Sunday we barely get any movement, but I do remember a couple of times where it actually was quite bullish, and that it then ended in tears. So I cannot see it, but maybe it's not even true, but it's something I remember. But so quite bullish over the course of the last 24 hours. Does that mean that we will open bullish as well? No, not necessarily, because basically what will happen in the next 24 hours is that right now the volume is very, very low. A lot of new volume will get into the markets, and that volume will make the market move. And that's not necessarily going to be the same movement as it was in the weekend. All right, so we'll talk about that. We'll talk about my different expectations from those movements we're getting at the start of the week, and just in general, everything you should know. All right, so that's what we'll do. Before we dive into that though, I do want to briefly remind you, or tell you, if you're new to the channel, then welcome, that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals. Very soon I'll publish the profit report of September, which is likely to be good. If you want to check that out, check out the links down in the description. There you'll find out how to join. But for now, let's get into Bitcoin. And some alerts are going off for Radiant, which is probably doing very well right now. But we'll get it. I'll get to that later. But for now, let's get into Bitcoin. So what you should know for next week, I think that it's better to start off with that. Start off with some fundamentals. Is that tomorrow we'll have a speech by Jerome Powell. It's probably not going to be that important. I believe it's just an opening of some things. Sure, they're going to be talking about some things, but related to the economy, but I doubt that it's any new news, so I don't expect anything from that. JOLTS job openings, interesting. That's Tuesday. We'll talk more about that tomorrow. In general, what you should know is that it's likely that the dollar strength index will continue its bullish rally right here, which is often bearish for Bitcoin. It's also the start of a new month, or at least the first Monday of a new month, which is going to be very, very volatile. That's at least what I expect, kind of Sunday evening / Monday / Tuesday morning. That's usually when most of the volume gets into the markets. And like I said, if the volume is low and a lot of volume, like the volume will probably double over the course of the next 36 hours, you can expect huge movements. So that's also what I expect. In general, my expectation yesterday is also still my expectation for today. And that is that we'll see bullish momentum right here up towards 27,500. But my general view of the market right now is that we are, or that Bitcoin is, in some sort of a consolidation like this. So that it will head up to 27,500. And when it's there, I mean, obviously there's a chance that it breaks above. And if it does break above, congratulations, Bitcoin is bullish again. But for now, I still think, because of that strong dollar strength index, that it will not break above that level. And that we'll see a resistance touch, a drop down towards 26,900, some support there, and then eventually a drop down towards the bottom of this range, which is right now between 26,000 and 26,200. That's in general what I expect. I'll keep my eyes on the market. I'll keep you updated, of course, on all of the movements and all of the momentum in the markets and when the volume gets into the market. But for now, that's my general expectation and what I think you need to know. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care. And bye.